Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard Offers. Our platform leverages data from millions of clicks processed with ClickGuard customers, allowing us to track shifts in fraud tactics and anomalies across various verticals. From luxury fashion houses to online travel agencies, we build industry-specific models to ensure optimal performance for all merchants. Paid traffic monitoring. Real-time monitoring of all incoming traffic allows us instantly start monitoring the exact source, network, and post-click behavior details of every visitor exactly as clicks happen on your ads. Get full behavioral analytics. Our system analyses the visitor behavior characteristics of every click against common fraud patterns. Audit every click. ClickGuard instantly audits and cross-references every click with thousands of data sources across the web. Identify and classify. Easily identify bots, competitors, proxy networks, click farms, and various fraudulent activity sources with custom rules. Identify bad clicks. Easily identify bots, competitors, proxy networks, click farms, and various fraudulent activity sources with real-time scoring. Get full click transparency. Easily identify bots, competitors, proxy networks, click farms, and various fraudulent activity sources with custom rules. ClickGuard Compare Plans. ActiveGuard. A suite of tools designed for small businesses getting repetitive fraudulent or low-value paid traffic from Google Ads campaigns. Premium Guard. A perfect combination of protection and optimization tools for all businesses looking to beat competition and maximize their ROAS. Elite Guard. Unmatched value for businesses seeking to scale their ROAS and sales 10x. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.